says the elevator is broken, but it just opened up. Do I ride it? Let's see here. Here we go. I'm scared. Whoa. It's relay. We made it. Yay. Look at that. I'm curious what brand this thing is. Because I really don't know. Basement. Oh, it's a Kimball. Kimball elevator at 1318 Elm Street garage. The only thing I see broken about this is how freaking long it takes the doors to close. Seriously, this is ridiculous. I mean, come on. That's rusted. You can't even fix it. Come on. What are we doing? Do you have to like walk past the sensors? I don't even know. There we go. It's just a really screwed up door timer. Huh? Just a random bathroom thing. Okay, you know what? Oh, this is scary. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Alright, now hurry up and wait. Sit there. Wait, what the hell? Was this Schindler? It says hand. This might have been Schindler House or Westinghouse. I doubt Westinghouse, but why the hell else would it say hand? There's not even up-down controls. So how is their hand? Jesus Christ. Are we going? I saw it budge there for a little. This thing might just actually be broken down. Oh, there we go. I heard the relay. Now the door's closed. To the top. It does that fun relay logic thing where it starts slow and then like accelerates a second time after the startup. Alright, I'm getting off this. Anyway, it's not going to close, so that's it.